In this video, I'm going to show you how to play The Anthem by Good Charlotte off of their album, The Young and the Hopeless. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Good Charlotte was your favorite pop punk band. And let's dive in. Before we start, this song is going to be in half-step down tuning. So what you're going to want to do is tune every string down a half step. So your E string down to E flat, B string down to B flat, and so on. The intro to this song will be 2 bars of affected guitars and instruments, and then the main guitar part kicks in with this. There'll actually be 2 guitar parts playing in that intro. The rhythm guitar is going to be playing power chords, and we'll start on the 5th fret of the 5th string, and then we'll go 5th fret of the 6th string, down to 3rd fret, back up to 5th fret, and repeat. The right hand rhythm will sound like this, slow. So if we just count that part out, it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, and then switch. Up, down, 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 up. While the rhythm is doing that, the main guitar is playing the riff that I showed. So what we're doing there, we're playing that initial power chord with the rhythm guitar, and then we're going into these octave swipes. So all I do there is lift my ring finger off, so now I have 5th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 3rd string, and then up to 7, up to 9. So we have this so far. Then to the 5th fret of the 6th string, same chord as the rhythm part. Then back into the octave swipes, this time it's 10, 9, 7. Then down to the 3rd fret power chord on the 6th string. Back into the octaves, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, so that part. 5th fret power chord, octave swipes are 7, 5, 4, and then 5. Altogether, that lead part's slow. And then we kick into the verse where both guitars are playing the same part. So we'll be playing palm muted power chords here, starting on the 5th fret of the 5th string. And the rhythm's going to sound like this. So we're at 5th fret of the 5th string, and then we jump to 5th fret of the 6th string. Then we go back to the 5th fret of the 5th, and then down to the 3rd fret of the 6th. So all together. The second time through will sound like this. We'll start on the 5th fret of the 5th string again, power chords, palm muting. When we jump to the 5th fret of the 6th string now, we're going to let it ring out. So we have this. And then we'll go into this part, starting on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. We're playing 8th notes. We reach up with the middle finger to the 5th fret of the 5th. Then with the pinky to the 7th fret of the 4th. Back down to the 5th fret of the 5th. So it sounds like this. And then we repeat that verse section again. And now we're into the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus chords are power chords again. We're letting them ring out and playing 8th notes. We'll start at the 7th fret of the 6th string, down to the 3rd fret, and then to the 5th fret of the 5th string. What we're going to do here is add the 5th fret of the 6th in the bass. So we have 5th fret of the 6th, 5th fret of the 5th, and then 7th fret on the 4th and 3rd. And then we repeat. Then we go to the A, so that's 5th fret of the 6th string. Hit it once and then palm mute and crescendo into the chorus. So altogether that pre-chorus sounds like this. And now we're into the chorus. We're playing power chords again. We're going to start on that 5th fret, 5th string power chord, putting the 5th fret of the 6th in the bass. Then we go to basic 5th fret power chord, down to the 3rd fret, back up to the 5th fret, and then back to that initial chord. Right hand rhythm will sound like this. At this point, we go up to the 6th fret, then down to the 5th fret and repeat. So all together, the chorus riff is this. We hit that once, and then we pause for a bar and kick back into the intro riff. And if you notice, going into the second verse, the ending of that riff is a little bit different. So the first time through, we played it like this. This time through, we're playing this. So pay attention to the nuances to play the song exactly like it's recorded. Now in the second verse, we have 2 extra guitar parts. At the beginning of the verse, what we have is the 14th fret of the 3rd string just ringing out. And then we have these harmonics on the 15th fret. And then here, there's another added guitar part that sounds like this. So that part's playing over top of the rhythm part, and we'll break that down. So we have 5th fret of the 5th string, then 4th fret of the 4th. And then we have 5th fret of the 4th string with the ring finger. So it sounds like this. Then 4th fret of the 4th. 5th fret of the 5th. And then 5th fret of the 6th. So slowly it sounds like this. Then we play the same part again. Now down to the 3rd fret, alternating with the 5th fret of the 5th. So slowly that part. Repeat again. Now we join the rhythm guitar. So one more time, all together, that extra guitar. And then we kick into the pre-chorus again. There is an extra guitar part in this pre-chorus as well. It's a real simple part. All we're doing here is we're playing the 9th fret of the 4th string, letting it hold for 2 bars, then the 7th fret of the 4th string, back to the 9th fret, then up to the 11th, and then bending it as we enter the chorus. We play through a second chorus the same as the first, and then we're into the bridge section. The bridge is going to be palm muted power chords, starting at the 7th fret of the 6th string. Right hand rhythm sounds like this. Okay, so all I'm doing there, 7th fret, down to 5th fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, then 7th fret, then 10th fret, and then down to 5th fret. So all together that bridge. And now we're into the solo. The solo is going to be all octave swiping, and it's going to start with a slide into the 9th fret of the 5th string, then down to 7, back up to 9, down to 7, slide up to 9, and down to 7 again. The rhythm for that is this. Then we repeat, slide into 9, down to 7, up to 9, and then up to 10. Down to 9 and 7 again. So all together so far, the rhythm sounds like this. And then we'll repeat the beginning again. So we slide into the 9th fret, down to 7, up to 9, down to 7 again, 9, 7, this time we go to 5, 7, 9, and then we go 9, 10, 9, 10, 9. So all together the solo sounds like this, slow. There'll be an effects part coming out of that solo, so we'll rest a few bars, and then we kick in with this. We'll be using the 5th fret of the 5th string power chord with the 5th fret of the 6th in the root. Then we move to basic 5th fret power chord, down to 3rd fret, back up to 5th fret, and the right hand rhythm is this. We'll repeat this several times. Right here, we'll change the rhythm back to the chorus rhythm. And the way we'll end the outro is by playing these chords, 3, 5, and then the chord with the 6th string in the bass. Was the anthem the best Good Charlotte song? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.